Merging into the flow, navigating English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and uncover the secrets behind speaking like a native. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that often pops up in conversations: merge into the flow. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it seamlessly in your everyday conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, merge into the flow, might conjure up images of rivers and streams, but in the context of English language idioms, it's all about blending in or becoming part of the ongoing movement or activity. To merge means to combine or join with something else, making it indistinguishable from the whole. Flow, in this context, refers to a steady movement or a particular direction of activities, traffic, people, or even thoughts and ideas. This phrase can be used in various contexts, each with its nuances. Let's explore a few. Social situations. In social contexts, merging into the flow might mean adapting to the norms and behaviors of a group or situation. For example, if you're at a party where everyone is dancing and you decide to join in, you're merging into the flow. Traffic and transportation. When driving, merging into the flow of traffic is a common expression. It means entering the main body of traffic from a side road or a ramp in a smooth and safe manner, matching the speed and direction of the vehicles already on the road. Work and projects. In professional settings, merging into the flow can refer to integrating with a team's existing processes and work rhythm. New employees, for example, often need to merge into the flow of their new company's culture and workflow. To help you better understand how to use merge into the flow, let's look at some example sentences. After moving to a new city, it took me a few months to merge into the flow of things. The key to successful driving in heavy traffic is to merge into the flow smoothly without causing disruptions. As the new member of the project team, she quickly merged into the flow of their daily meetings and tasks. Understanding and using phrases like merge into the flow can significantly enhance your English communication skills, making your language more nuanced and natural. Whether in social settings, discussing traffic, or talking about work dynamics, this phrase can help you convey the idea of integrating seamlessly into ongoing activities or movements. We hope this video has been helpful and that you feel more confident using merge into the flow in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice what you've learned today. See you in our next video.